And since we're talking about the RBI, I know to a large extent a 25 basis point rate cut is in the price, it's been baked in. Is that the expectation that you're working with as well?
Well, I would say I would definitely wait for the expiry to get over, and then I wouldn't really play much on the RBI rate cut game. As such, I would really, if at all, I would build some positions on the option side. I wouldn't really risk going too aggressive on this move. Maybe the price cut will happen, maybe it will not happen. It may not be such a big event for the markets as a whole to take a big move. It will just probably be another trigger to just carry on what has been going on from the last 6 to 7 days. That is probably just give it further push ahead into towards the long side. So I wouldn't really expect much from the RBI or the RBI event as a big trigger for the market. So we probably will have to just rely on what's going to happen on the global side, and probably much keener space to watch out is for currencies and commodity space. That's where the big trigger could be for the markets, for our markets as well as for all the markets.
Preet, I want your opinion on two areas of the market which participated, very nicely in this 900-point rebound from the budget day lows. I'm talking about the metal stocks and the PSU banks. What would your strategy be? Do you think, buy on declines is over in these two areas, because that has yielded a lot of traders good money in the last couple of weeks?
Correct, Ajay. You rightly, as you said, these two stocks participated in a big way, and these two stocks were also the stocks which got hit the most in the last few months, because the commodities globally has been in a rout, and the banking space, we have our own domestic issues with regard to the NPAs and everything that's going on in that space. So it was bound to happen that after a sharp sell-off, a quick dead cat pull was expected in these spaces. But I would really say, is it worth going again, playing a long game on metals and banking stock? Maybe not. Maybe not right now. Maybe if we have another sharp correction which occurs again in the commodity space, maybe then. But in terms of PSU banking side, I think the deep correction that we saw